I don't know if there's any other video that I've been more excited about than this video. I think this might be the best one yet because I'm going to show you something a little bit different to what's currently being taught out there. I'm going to show you step by step how to make a website and earn money from it. Specifically, I'll be sharing 3 unique ways to start generating money from your website today. My name is James Stafford, the creator of Websites Made Easy. Take a sneak peek at what we're going to be creating. I'll be showing you 2 ways to create these pages. Now, both are pretty killer because you'll be able to make money from them, but one of these methods in particular uses microfunnels, which will get you there faster and easier than the other. So you basically have a choice in how fast you want to make money. And I'll talk more about that shortly and show you how to get this done. Now, the real meat of this video is based on my exclusive money-making content accelerator. And I call it the content accelerator because it accelerates the speed at which you can make money with your content. Imagine being able to generate sales from every piece of content you create, every blog post you write, every video that you do, every email that you send, everything. The process is a total game changer. Now, this video is totally newbie friendly, and you're going to want to pay close attention to this one because the reason why this method works so well is because we're giving a ton of value up front. And this is crucial because if you tried any kind of online marketing before, you have noticed that it's getting harder and harder to get noticed to make money online. It's no longer as simple as getting a landing page up, building an email list, making offers, and profiting from the process. The content accelerator is different because it allows you to send people to a piece of content they don't have to put their email address in or opt in for to get. That could be a video, a podcast, an audio recording, mind map, cheat sheet, a PDF, or even just a single page of killer content on your website. You give people incredible value, then right below it, you have an offer people can take advantage of. Seriously, it's pretty killer. The content accelerator can be applied literally to any website or business, no matter how big or small. So it's going to work for you if you're a blogger or affiliate marketer, if you run an e-commerce store or have a coaching practice, sell info products, or even sell services. This is going to work. Heck, if you're just starting out, you can apply these principles. I'm going to teach you in this video and start generating sales immediately. And don't worry if you don't have any content yet because I'll show you a super easy hack where you can still generate sales using other people's content. Also, I will show you how to ensure you promote the right type of content. There's an awesome free tool I can't wait to show you how to use that makes it super easy to find a treasure trove of content that folks are actively searching for by giving you real data. If you're just starting out, this is huge because it does the work for you and it vets any market you may be interested in, saving you time and money. If that wasn't enough, I'm also going to be sharing with you something I've created called the hybrid site using microfunnels. Now, microfunnels are super cool because they make the content accelerator super easy to implement. You literally pop in your content so you can plug and play effortlessly. And once you've set up your hybrid site with microfunnels, you can quickly and easily duplicate these little bad boys in just a matter of clicks. Put your website on steroids and then some. It's killer. If you can master this, you'll be ready to generate sales from literally every piece of content you create. I don't care if that's a video, blog post, PDF, cheat sheet, mind map, no matter what it is, you just pop in your content and you are set to jet. Now, if you're thinking, James, that's great, but I don't have a product or service yet to sell, then don't worry. I've got you covered because in this video, I'm going to show you how to use other people's products to start generating fast cash for yourself. This is known as affiliate marketing. And I promise that even if you're an existing affiliate marketer, the content accelerator is going to really help you cut through the noise and start selling more. Excited? You should be because it really doesn't get more simple than this. There's only one caveat though, and that is this is not for everyone. Too many people want to make money and not have to work for it. And after a decade of being online, I can tell you that is not how it works. You have to really want this and take action on it. This is about showing up daily and doing the work and coming at your prospects from a place of genuine service and adding value. I promise if you're willing to take care of the relationship, then the money will follow. And the first place we need to start is with your website because without this key foundational piece, you'll struggle to execute this process. This means having your website properly set up in a way that's going to authentically connect with your audience immediately. We want to magnetize your website so you're attracting a quality audience that is hungry for more and is actually signing up for your free stuff so you can start building a highly engaged email list. Now, as a bonus in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create my signature hybrid homepage, which is going to help you make even more money from your offers. Prepare to be wowed because my hybrid homepage is designed to deeply engage your audience and will practically compel visitors to keep coming back to your website, converting traffic into subscribers and then ultimately buyers. Now, this tutorial is jam-packed with good stuff, which is why I want you to pay 100% attention. The more you engage and listen and apply, the more you'll benefit. And your mindset should be you don't want anything distracting you from getting the results you truly deserve. So switch off your phone, turn off Facebook or any other tab you've got open, and close off all distractions, because I'm about to pull back the curtain on what I consider to be one of the most effective ways ever to make money from your website starting from today. So let me first show you what this is all about. Now check out this web page here, which contains a little video up top, plus it has some content that educates prospects a bit more. You can immediately see we're giving a ton of value right up front. Now, if I scroll down a little bit, here's the offer that's being promoted. Now, the golden rule is above the fold, that is anything before you have to start scrolling down, is all content, while below the fold, you've got the offer you want to promote. Now, this can be anything relevant to the content you've added and can include things like a $1 trial to a membership site like we do at Websites Made Easy, or an affiliate offer from Amazon or any other seller, or even an affiliate information course from places like ClickBank or JVZoo. The sky is the limit. It really is. Now, the bottom line is this is all about giving value, value, value. That's it. Nothing complicated or salesy about it. Think about it. If you educate people well enough and they can see themselves transforming as a result of using your product or service, that's what it's all about. Now, I don't want you getting hung up on the video element of this page, because you can just do a screen share video like this one if you're not comfortable being on camera, which I'm not super comfortable, just in case you're wondering. And if you don't want to do that, honestly, don't sweat it, because you can even use someone else's video. But I'll talk more about that later in this video. Now, here's the thing. When done properly, this is going to help people decide whether or not they want what you have to offer. And if you've done your bit right, the natural next step is for your readers to go ahead and buy from you. You're going to love it. So get dialed in, because there's lots to show you. This video is based on my signature 3-step WTC system, which is a proven blueprint to success with your website or even your blog. So here's the thing. For years, I struggled to make money online and jumped around from buying course to course and getting more and more broke and more frustrated because I'd make a tiny bit of money and then nothing. And long story short, I got so tired of being broke that I swore I would stop buying the latest course with money I didn't even have and just focused on what I found worked. So when I stripped everything back, I discovered you really only need 3 things to make money online. You need to build a money-making website, get targeted high-quality traffic to your website, and turn those leads into paying and repeat customers. 3 things: website, traffic, customers, which is exactly what my WTC system stands for. That's it. So here's how this tutorial is going to work. I'm going to walk you through how to properly set up your website with the hybrid homepage, which is the foundation of the WTC system, so you can get started making money today. Now let's get started with step 1, which is all about creating a money-making website. And don't worry if you've never built a website before. And I promise it's not daunting, scary, or overwhelming. Just follow along with me, because the process is simple, easy, and doesn't require any technical skills whatsoever. You can get started for next to nothing. I think it's safe to say I've got this process pretty dialed in. What you're going to be creating with your website is your very own profit roadmap, which is what's going to bring in the money. Believe it or not, getting your website up and running from scratch is actually the really easy part. And once that's done, we can start adding in the juicy bits, which is essentially all the key ingredients of a money-making website. And these include your hybrid homepage, money-making content, and irresistible offers. Now, our goal for your website is very simple. We want to attract the right people to your website and give them a super valuable piece of content for which they can sign up for to get on your email list to get. And once you have someone on your email list, you can then start to build out and nurture a relationship with them. So you can start offering products to them and therefore start making money. Now, this is why in order to reach that goal of making money, your homepage must connect deeply with your audience and encourage them to take the next step with you, which is signing up for your free stuff. And your hybrid homepage will allow you to do that very nicely, because the way it's set up will allow you to both engage your audience and prompt them to take action. Sharing things like your pilot story, which is one key ingredient of the hybrid homepage, will help you massively, because you want to be relatable to your audience and share your experiences in order to create a connection with them. And stories are the best way to do that. It's a win-win scenario because your website will give you the freedom and flexibility of earning while doing something you love. However, I want you to focus on laying a solid foundation for the success of your website. And that means consistently publishing regular content in different offers on your site. With that being said, let's take a peek at the website we're going to be creating. Now, this is it. It's killer. And we'll be creating this using two totally free tools called Elementor and Envato Elements. It's fresh, clean, and beautiful, and it's ideal for anyone serious about making money online. Plus, it's got a ton of options to enhance its functionality, so it's perfect for our content accelerator framework. And one of the key benefits of this theme is that it's fully mobile responsive, which means it's going to look just as great on a tablet or phone as it does on a desktop, and will allow your audience to connect with you wherever they are. Aside from building your website, you'll also learn the secret sauce and exact steps we use at Websites Made Easy to turn visitors into raving fans and paying customers too. And content marketing is huge right now. And the hybrid homepage will ensure your content stands out by placing your content front and center to really capture the attention of your audience. So how exactly do you start a money-making website? Creating your site just takes 3 easy steps using my proven WTC system, which is as follows. Now, step 1 is website, which is where you create your website. Step 2 is traffic, which I show you how to properly set up your site to get tons of quality traffic. And step 3 is customers, where you turn your traffic into subscribers and paying customers. As mentioned, we're going to be using WordPress, which is a simple web building tool which allows you to have your own website up and running in less time than it takes to make and drink a cup of coffee. Seriously, it's never been so easy to get your website up super fast. Now, it's the preferred platform of many big name brands who use it to propel their business forward because it's super easy and intuitive to use. So to get your website live online, we need to get set up with website hosting. So the next step is to click the link in the description of this video. Now, you should know that we do get a small affiliate commission from anybody that signs up. And we're going to save you money by getting you the lowest price possible. So it's really a win-win. You get the lowest price possible, and we get a small commission for you guys signing up. So it's great for everybody, and it helps support us to continue to make this content for you. Now, hosting is crucial to getting started online and is no different to you moving into a new home and letting people know where your home is, so when they search for you, they know exactly where to find you. And think of it like virtual real estate, where all your website content will have a safe place to live online. It's also very important to have a web host to ensure your website functions properly. This way your website will look and function exactly as it should, specific to how I'm going to teach you. Now, this is really the only money you'll spend in this tutorial, and it comes under just $10 a month. It really is a small investment to get started with your website and have your business live online. So decide what you'd like and then type that in here and choose between .com or whatever you'd like here. Then go ahead and enter a username and security pin and choose the billing cycle you'd like. And I'm going to go with the whole year as it's slightly cheaper this way. Next, enter in billing information here and make sure you use an email address you can access, as HostGator will email you with your login details afterward. Next, you'll see it's added on extras here. You want to uncheck these as you don't need them. And now you want to enter the coupon code here. So enter WordPress Hero to be sure to validate your savings, and you'll see the cost will go right down, saving you up to 60% off your entire hosting, depending on the hosting package you choose. Now, when you're happy with everything, click on Checkout Now, and you'll be the proud owner of your very own new website address. Okay, awesome. Now, you'll receive a couple of emails from HostGator with your login details and some links to different things. This is very important, so you want to find the cPanel link here and click on that. The cPanel is where you can install WordPress to your domain name and also do lots more stuff with your website. So log in using the username and password which you chose. And in case you can't remember, they're both in the email you just received. At first, this might look a bit overwhelming. It did for me when I first saw it. There's lots of different things you can do here, but all you need to do right now is find the software and services area. So scroll down and you'll see it here. Now you need to find the PHP selector, and we want to click that and then change the PHP software to the latest one. Currently, the latest one is 7.0 as I'm creating this video. By default, it comes set at 5.4, so we want to be sure to update this. Now, this will ensure your WordPress website is using the latest software, so make sure you update this. Now, click back, and in the same section, Software, find Quick Install, and click on that, and click on WordPress here. Okay, all you need to do now is fill in a few things such as the email address, the person who will be looking after your website. So if this is you, you can put in your email address, then your name or the name of the person as well. Now give your website a title, then your name and last name, and click on Install WordPress. Once you've installed WordPress, you'll get a success message that it's complete. Your username and password are here. You're going to use these to log into your website. You'll also get an email with all of this in it as well. When you're ready, click on this link here, which will take you to the login or back end of your website, so you can edit and start creating it. And you might get an error message saying that the page isn't available yet, and you might have to wait until everything with your new website is set up. Then click the link again. Now, this is completely normal. It just takes a little bit for your website to become live online. Enter your username and password to log into WordPress, and you're in. You're now on your dashboard, and you're the proud owner of an online website. Congratulations. Well done for sticking with it. It's a huge achievement, and this is where the real fun is about to begin. Okay, so now we're going to start building out your website.